May kalokohang ginagawa tong bata na to. Kaya, nasilip-silip niya kung tumitingin ako eh. Ano, ginugupit-gupit niya yung karton. Is that?
Guys?
Daddy to help him. Help him to open.
Thank you.
Say thank you to Daddy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Na 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 na. Ito ano?
Wow, magnetic sticks. Yung pangalawa lang yung pinili namin na 45 pesos. Wow! You want it? Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you. Play it.
For ages 3 years old, pataas po to siya, guys. Yan, magnetic sticks. Kasi, yan, dapat babantayan nyo pa rin siya, guys. Ang maganda dito, no, yung mga imaginations niya. Yung makakapag-build siya ng iba't ibang klaseng shape, letters, or numbers. Lollipop? May pretend play din siya dito, oh, kunwari lollipop. It's not medyo malaki naman siya, kaya hindi naman malulunok. Pero, syempre, baka delikado pa rin. Kaya, mas mabuti ng bantayan.
What size this?
Medyo mahirap pala
Mga
siya.
gagayahan. Pwede rin bumuo ng numbers, oh.
Pero dahil may katulong siya para makatulong.
Wow! Nabuo niyo. Wow! Beautiful! Flowers daw yan. Diyan siyang letter, so I daw to. Tapos ito daw J. Okay, then that is square. How about this? What letter is this? Okay, then what letter is that? U. Yan, di ba? Busy siya. Are you happy with your toys? Wow, ang daming na-build ni Kaden, oh. Clean up na. Put it all on the box. Clean up so that you can play the other toys. Clean up. Put it all on the box. Put it on the box. Put it on the box. Clean up na. Clean up.